موارد فاينانس، فالك طيب.
Hello, good day again, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our company and our services. So our company actually started in 1972. So we have today 53 years of experience in providing solutions to the financial market, both in banking and insurance. Our products are recognized internationally, and we have been defined by Oracle as the first solution to go on the cloud in production in the Middle East. So our objective actually is to partner with our customer and to provide them with state-of-the-art solution. As I mentioned, our products are recognized internationally, and we cover more than 35 countries with our solution, coming from the Southeast Asia to the US. I will go through some references just to give you an idea about our way of doing business with our customer and our solution. So I will start with one of our famous customer, Bank Banorian France. Why I'm discussing this? Because this bank is operating in 4 different countries and has sister bank operating in other 4 countries. So the same solution run in France, in UK, in UAE, in Romania, in Qatar, in Syria, and an Islamic bank in Lebanon. The same solution, definitely with the appropriate module, is so flexible to meet all the regulation. And we talked today about how tough the regulation is becoming. And with this solution, we are able to cover, as you mentioned, the most critical regulator in the world. This customer actually is using our software since more than 30 years. This gives you an idea that how we do deal with our customer as partner, and they continue to actually adopt our product. And this is not the only customer. We have more than 25 customers using our solution for more than 30 years, adopting the latest version. So besides the flexibility and besides compliance, I could also mention BSN in Malaysia. Why I'm mentioning it? Because this will provide an idea about our solution, scalability. It's a large bank having more than 22 million accounts with a portfolio of financing Islamic and conventional about 700,000. Other references, as you could mention also, I'm not going to go one by one, but this is to mention again that we cover retail, corporate, investment, and non-bank financial institution. Same thing, actually, we have big name actually in the market of insurance, including GIG in several countries and renowned name. So just a few words about the history of our company. As I mentioned, we started 72, so we were one of the first core banking to be adopted as a package, and we started in the area before expanding to Western Europe and expanding later on to different countries. Our solutions are being always enhanced from the technology perspective, going through all the technology, reaching the latest state of the art of implementing on cloud and software as service. And of course, as I mentioned, we are implementing and enhancing our solution to cover both Islamic and conventional. So who we are? We started in Lebanon as a modest company, and then we grew up to have different different country, and now we belong to BML Group. Our organization, to support our operation, we do have SME expert in banking and SME expert in insurance with our RT team that allows us to continuously enhance our solution. Our team actually is our main asset. So our team are both knowledgeable in technology and in finance. So unlike other company, we do implement ourselves our solution to make sure that we never had a failure story, and our team are capable not only of providing the technology to our customer, but they can assist them into product definition, into BRD, and support them in the business. So our flagship solution, as I mentioned, ICBS. It's a fully comprehensive solution, providing at the beginning the core nucleus, which is required by all financial institutions, covering a full customer information system and not the customer information file. So covering KYC, covering risk rating, covering FATCA, CRS, and all kinds of requirements to be compliant with different central bank. It includes a product factory, allowing our customer to define their own product to be autonomous. It includes a generator transaction to be more flexible and to abide by the requirement, along with a series of modules, allowing each bank, whether retail, corporate, non-banking institution, to select the appropriate module and run its business. And here I would like to mention that our Islamic solution was conceived to be 100% compliant Sharia and WOFI. It's unlike other solutions where they change from loan to finance or from interest to profit. It was built with Scholar in order to offer all the requirements and to be compliant when it comes from deposit or when it comes to financing different type, whether retail or corporate, treasury, and so on. Another product actually is our insurance, Takaful for Islamic company. And it does cover the different line of business, whether it's for general business, for medical, or for life insurance, life Takaful. And definitely, again, our Islamic version is on participation and is based on sharing the mutual risk and profit. So what is behind our solution actually? As you mentioned this morning, compliance is being a major concern of the bank. And a lot of banks now are most of the time spending more time on compliance rather than on product. Our solution is meant to balance between the requirement of the customer being customer savvy and having a new product and integrating with Fintech and so on. And the other way is to comply with the different regulations. The outcome is that our solution provides for efficient operation, personalization that can be configured to be tailored to the customer need, and definitely part of the ecosystem providing full set of API for integration. So we believe that the foundation of successful transformation or digitalization, or even in order to cooperate with Fintech, is to have a solid core banking, which is the foundation of any transformation. Our solution is agnostic from the hardware. You can use any hardware, operating system, and open source application server. We run on Oracle database for specific reason to provide our customer with high availability and high scalability and all the required security. And again, our solution is made to provide API for each and every function, allowing to integrate easily with Fintech or any other institution, providing a ready, configurable set of API to meet the market need. Our services are end-to-end, and whenever we say end-to-end, whenever we do the migration, we do a real migration of the customer data, and not only bringing the balances or rollover balance and so on. It's a full data migration, including all kinds of operation. Our methodology is tuned over 5 decades and has adopting different ISO and allowing and enhanced to be practical and to allow sure that we can deliver on time and within budget. So our approach is to deliver a model bank or a model insurance. We don't come empty-handed to the bank and ask them what you need. We deliver a running solution with a default parameter set, initial parameter. Then we go to a training to collect his requirement, to meet his requirement, most of the case through configuration or through alignment of the integration. We do a full data migration. We do number of testing, including SIT, UAT, then we bring data migration. We do full acceptance tests, and we support for go live. And after that, our differentiation is that we provide a full year warranty after go live. And after that, we provide for a very aggressive support SLA. So our methodology is normalized, and our support is 24/7 and very aggressive. So I wanted just to share with you what we do and what our product, and ready for any question if you have. Okay, thank you.